get ready for a mess of orange cones this summer. You'll likely encounter construction chaos as you get around Metro Detroit. MDOT crews are playing catch up from last year's lockout, and also because of a rainy May and June, it slowed things down. Crews will be starting work today on 30 projects in Wayne, Oakland, and Macomb counties. Here's a list scrolling across your screen. You'll also find them on WXYZ-TV. Now, this will impact major freeways and big roads in many areas, and many of those roads for weeks or others months at a time. 7 X News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson has a look at the work plan today and some of the trouble spots.
In Macomb County on M59 eastbound between Van Dyke and Mound, we're talking down to just one lane open. After 3 p.m., you'll get another lane, but still, you'll be dealing with closures. 30 projects are a lot to undertake all at once, but
it's needed around here, yeah.
You got to take care of the roads.
Some drivers prefer construction congestion to crumbling concrete, and they'll take detours over damaged tires.
It's probably a little stressful for some people, but I think that we'll probably need it.
Your whole summer's just filled with it. But it's just what we have to put up with.
Lane closures on M59 between Mound and Van Dyke will definitely impact Cody Fortune's customers.
Yeah, I have a store right down the street, so the traffic's going to suck a little bit, but I mean, it should be all right.
And on M53, only one lane will be open in both directions near M59 for the rest of the month. Both the Lodge and the Southfield Freeway have lane closures as well. On southbound M39 between Dix-Toledo and M85 Fort Road, and on northbound M10 between Grand River and Warren. That work happens overnight when only one lane will be open. You're also going to see ramps between 75 and Telegraph are completely closed this week. And Drake at M5, that's closed in both directions for bridge work all the way until fall.
I mean, you got to get the roads fixed for the winter, and you got to do it sometime.
And no matter how much of a rush you're in or how frustrated you get by all this construction, just a reminder to move over, slow down, give the workers plenty of room to do their jobs. I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you, Jen. Remember, you can find a complete list of all 30 projects and when they'll begin on our website, WXYZ.com. And if you have any problems with construction around Metro Detroit, we want to hear about it. Send us an email at gettingaround@WXYZ.com.